Today I will just give you a brief overview about MPT program which is there in MGM IHS. So then after the session, you can ask me whatever doubts you have regarding MPT program in MGM. I'll just tell you which all specialties. So I hope you are able to see the PowerPoint presentation. So yeah, so in MGM School of Physiotherapy, we have Dr. Rajni Muller-Patton, who is our professor and director. She has done her PhD from Cardiff University. She has done her UG and PG from KEM and Sion Hospital. And she is basically, she is director for both Aurangabad and Navi Mumbai campus of MGM. Why do we really have this presentation today is because MGM is amongst very few universities in India who has credit-based choice system curriculum over here, which is in accordance with national education policy, which was coined by our education ministers of India. So why do we have this now is because till this time all of us had curriculum in which we really didn't had any choice to select the subjects which we liked or which we wanted to learn. Over here you'll get elective subjects, you'll have few core subjects from which you can select which you would like to study, and these credit based hours or these credit based topics which we have, which are part of your curriculum for masters, they are in accordance with the curriculum which are there in Europe, in America, or in other parts of our country. So even if you are doing this credit based choice system from MGM, your degree will be valid in all the parts of the world. So which programs do we have in MGM is we have bachelor's program, we have master's program, then we have PhD doctoral program also, and we have fellowship programs in spine and other areas. If after masters somebody would like to do it, or after bachelor's also, if you feel to do it, you can apply for these programs. So now what are the highlights of CBCS, that is credit based choice curriculum is it permits students to learn at their own pace. This is important. Then the electives are selected from a wide range of elective courses offered by the other university departments. So MGM, it has not just come up with some new topics. These topics or these subjects which are part of your, which will be a part of your curriculum, they are available worldwide also. So you have undergo additional courses and acquire more than the required number of credits, adopt an interdisciplinary and intradisciplinary approach in learning. So basically you will be involved in student exchange program very soon. I'll just let you know with which all university we do have our tie-ups. Not just physiotherapy faculty, your lectures or your seminars will be taken by faculty from other departments, just like what we had in bachelor's, like orthopedic department, medicine, surgery, and all those people. In CBCS, we make best use of the available expertise of the faculty across the departments or disciplines, has an inbuilt evaluation system to assess the analytical and creative outcome of the students in addition to the conventional domain knowledge assessment pattern. Then in CBCS, so as I was talking about, we have credits over here. So one credit is divided into few parts. So one hour of lecture will give you that 1 credit point. 2 hours of tutorial, you will get that 1 credit point. Practical of 2 hours, clinical training or hands-on training, which we have in clinical areas. That has so 3 hours of that will give you 1 credit point, and research project, which is mandatory in masters. When you do that, you will get 2 hours of research project will give you 1 credit point. Then in CBCS, as our MPT program duration in MGM is of 2 years. So you will be having 4 semesters, first 2 semesters in first 2 years. So first sem will last for 6 months. Basically, all sem will last for 6 months, and you will finish your program in 2 years by the end of fourth semester. Along with this, in first semester, you will be having your synopsis presentation where you will be allotted your guides, then depending on which specialty you choose. Once you have chosen your specialty, you will be given a topic, or you are the ones who can suggest the topic in which you would like to do your thesis. Then in first year, you'll do that presentation. Then you will need to take ethical clearance from the MGMIHS ethical committee. We'll have few rounds of synopsis presentations over here in the campus itself. You're not supposed to go anywhere outside. Then once that is done, by the end of first and second semester, that is by the end of first year, by second year, you can start with your project, actual data collection and everything. And by the end of fourth semester, you're supposed to, or before the end of fourth semester, you're supposed to submit your dissertation books, or you might have your dissertations viva as well. So now, which all specialties do we offer in MGM School of Physiotherapy? The specialities which we offer over here is Masters of Musculoskeletal Physiotherapy, Masters of Neurophysiotherapy, Masters of Cardiopulmonary Physiotherapy and Fitness, Masters of Preventive and Community Physiotherapy, and Masters of Sports Physiotherapy. So basically in MGM, we provide special all the specialties which are available throughout India. So this is amongst only very few colleges which are there in Maharashtra or in Mumbai, which has Masters of Sports Physiotherapy program. This MGM and DY are the only two deemed universities in Mumbai which offer sports physiotherapy masters. Then this is basically the semester wise division of the topics which we will be getting in musculoskeletal physiotherapy, then CBCS curriculum for neuro, cardio, sports, as well as community. So once you select for any of these specialties, you will be getting your curriculum, hard as well as soft copies with you all. Then fee structure is basically divided into all these things. So totally it will come up to 3,30,000 INR per year. There might be few plus and minuses depending on few refundable. There might be some increase in refundable cash deposit and all those things, but it might hardly go till 3,50,000. It really won't go above that. Then these are our faculty members who teach musculoskeletal physiotherapy. They'll be involved. They won't just be involved in musculoskeletal physiotherapy. Once you enroll in MGM, these are the faculty members who will teach you or train you for different specialties. So these are the members who are in musculophysiotherapy. Then this is our neurophysiotherapy team. Then cardiopulmonary physiotherapy team is over here. They will train you everything related to COVID patient care, which is extremely important over here at the moment, and everything related to ICUs and cardiopulmonary management. Then in sports faculty, I am the one who is presenting, and we do have Dr. Omashri Nagrale for community physiotherapy. Then honorary faculty, I have just included two pictures over here. One is Professor Sai Lakshmi ma'am and one is Robert sir. Beside this, we do have tie-ups with University of Sydney. We do have tie-up with World Spine Care, where Dr. Margarita Norden is there. So a lot of other people are associated with MGM. The list is actually endless. If I keep on adding, the slide will go too long. So we are basically associated with lot of universities, but these are two faces which are very commonly seen in India. So they do come to our campus on very regular basis. We do have online webinars and seminar sessions with them also. Then these are few pictures of the labs which we have. We have kinesiotherapy lab, then we have electrotherapy labs, then we have fully equipped therapeutic gymnasium where you can take yoga sessions or any fitness training sessions or fitness assessment sessions or cardiopulmonary sessions. So you do have access to this. Then these are our classrooms. They're well equipped to have capacity of around 100 students at a time. So these are our classrooms, and all classrooms are enabled with ICTs. You will get your personal lockers as well when you come to the campus or when you enroll. Then this is our library. Library sections are again divided into two parts. One is central library. Over there, you will get everything, the books which starts from anatomy, really to every possible things or subjects you want to read. And then we have departmental library where you will just get subjects which are core part of physiotherapy. Then we do have computer lab also. So if for some reason if you want to use computers or if you need access to some journals, online journals, so you can go over there also. Then we have hostel facilities also over here. We'll give you all the details once you come for admission or when the counseling sessions are there. We have our own playground over here as well as in Aurangabad, where you can play, where a lot of sporting events happen. Then commuting, basically MGM location wise, it is nicely located because it is very closely situated to highway. So even road transport is good, as well as if you prefer to come by or travel by train, so Khandeshwar station is hardly 10 minutes away from our campus. And we do have bus facilities which will drop you over to Khandeshwar or Nerul or up till Vashi. So we do have pickup and drop facilities. Pick up at maybe around 8:30 and drop at around 4:30 p.m. So you will get all these facilities. Then clinical exposure. So in musculoskeletal, we do have our OPD, which is situated in hospital at the basement. We have musculoskeletal OPD. We have IPDs also, where a lot of patients are there, roughly around 250 to 350 bedded hospital. This is excluding COVID, I am talking. So we'll have get a lot of enough exposure for musculoskeletal as well as other specialties. So then again in musculoskeletal PT again is divided into An important part that is World Spine Care. As I told you, World Spine Care is an American. We do have a tie-up with these American specialists. So we will. So over there we have a separate part of our OPD which just deals with spine care management. Then neurophysiotherapy, we again, as I told you, in basement, our OPD is divided into neuro, musculo, spine care, and cardiopulmonary fitness. Along with this, we do have external postings also for neurophysiotherapy. There is a paraplegic home which is in Vashi. Sharan Paraplegic Home is there. So, and as well as we have a tie-up with a specially abled school which is in Sanpada, Ashray School. So you will, if you enroll for neuro, you'll have an in-campus posting as well as two postings will be out of the campus. Then for cardio we have ICU setup, we have medical and surgical wards, we have pediatric ICU, we have neonatal ICUs, we have surgical ICUs, we have everything in this campus as well as in Kalamboli campus, which is hardly 5 to 10 minutes away from the Kamote campus. Then community physiotherapy, we do have tie-ups with geriatric geriatric care centers, which is in Belapur. Narmada Niketan is the old age home where we usually go and treat geriatric people. We have Women's Health Hospital, where I told that you might have your postings over there also. This is especially women and child care hospital, which is there in Kalamboli. So if you prefer for community, you'll have to go to Belapur as well as Kalamboli campus. And of course, we do have our geriatric and women's health OPD in Kamote itself. So you'll get three broad spectrums of patient care over there. Then important thing as or the highlight of MGM is it is a hospital which is recognized to treat COVID patients. So we do have COVID ICUs as well as COVID-19 wards. We have 2 to 3 wards where roughly 100 patients per ward we have. So roughly around 200 patients in wards and roughly around 30 to 40 patients in ICUs. We have this much bedded capacity over here. So you will be trained by our cardio experts as well as other experts to treat COVID-19 patients. You will be provided with all the safety measures, PPE kits, as which you can see in the pictures also. Then patient testimonials. We do have patients over here who have been kind to tell us that if they have really recovered from the physiotherapy sessions which they get from MGM. So yeah, we do have a lot of patient turnover over here as well as the therapy which is evidence based. So they feel better as well as they give their feedbacks on very regular basis. Then coming down to sports physiotherapy, we do have a tie-up with Star Shuttle Badminton Academy, which is in Panvel, which is roughly around 7 to 8 kilometers from this campus. We have our own MGM school, which is in Nerul. So we do have students over there also who are participating in national, international, or some district level competitions. So we have to go over there and train those kids. Plus, our Aurangabad campus is well equipped with sports facilities where everything from squash to swimming pool, each and every facility related to sports is there. Plus, on very regular basis, per year we do have MGM Olympics, where roughly around 500 to 600 athletes from all over India and MGM Institute do come and participate over there. So if you enroll for sports, or even if you don't enroll for sports, you will get an opportunity to represent our Navi Mumbai campus if you select this campus and play whatever sports you would like to play, and you can go to Aurangabad. And not just Aurangabad, you are free to participate in any of the national or district or any of the level which you prefer to participate outside MGM also. Then again, one more important highlight and most important or integral part of MGM is MGM Center of Human Movement Sciences. So after BCSA is the only governing body in India which has their 3D analysis lab, which is situated in Chennai. After that, we are the only ones in entire India, followed by even AIMS Delhi are trying to have an human movement science over there, who have a HMS lab, and we have completed 5 successful years. So once you have enrolled for master's program, you will get projects in which you can explore all these technologies where we have 3D analysis, we have foot posture analysis, VO2 max, basically your cardiorespiratory endurance analysis. So numerous technologies are there over there. You can explore those parts and you will have postings in these labs also. Doesn't matter in which elective you are choosing, you will have one posting in these labs as well. So you will get exposure right from clinical to the most recent parts or the advanced assessment which we do have in the country. Then again, these are few pictures where you can see neuro paraplegic patients or a prosthetic limb or maybe or sports patient where you can see player is riding a bicycle. So all these analysis are carried out in MGM CHMS lab, which is situated in Sanpada. Then MGM CHMS workshops and training program. Basically, these are few pictures just to show you that on very regular basis we do have eminent speakers coming down from different parts of the world and having a talk with all the students right from bachelor's to master. So these are few pictures which you can see over here. Then research and consulting activities, of course, along with the training teaching part, it is a lab, so it has its own undergoing projects also, which with few funded projects are there with IIT or few other governing bodies also around the world. So yes, we do have all these facilities in MGM. Then national and international collaboration and linkages. Again, you need to know that if you are opting for MGM, then which all facilities will you get. So we do have international tie-ups with Canada. We have a tie-up with International Society of Biomechanics, Cardiff University, that is UK, World Spine Care, as I mentioned, which is again an important part, be it in clinical or research activity. Then University of Sydney, Australia, with whom we are planning to have a student exchange program very soon. Then national types are, we have types with IIT Madras, then Bangalore, then again Betic Lab, IITB Lab, SNDT College Mumbai, Kevaledham, and Yoga Institute, which is situated in Lonavala. We do have type with them as well, and Sanchiti College of Physiotherapy. So uh, these are few types, national as well as international types, which we have tried to highlight. Beside this, also we do have MOUs and types with lot other universities, which I have not included over here. Then MGM SOP and World Spine Care, as I mentioned, we do have a spine care unit over here, which is headed by we do have a faculty member and a fellowship person who does head this spine care over here. So if which is headed by Dr. Margareta Norden, Adam Wilkie, and Dr. Rajni Mulapatan. Then extension activities is basically we don't just restrict our teaching and learning to this campus. We do have we do believe in betterment of the surrounding areas also. And so what we do is we do have spinal cord injury support groups over here, we have cardiorespiratory groups over here, we have antenatal care camps, we have spine care awareness camps, and numerous other camps are there, arthritic support groups. So we do go to nearby areas. As you know, Panvel comes in Raigad district. So we do have a lot of Adivasi padas and rural areas over here where we go and train those underserved people. So we'll be having a lot of extension activities in MGM School of Physiotherapy. Then student welfare committee, of course, as it being a huge college, we have a lot of students, and then ragging and all these things are and part of college. But we make sure that these things don't happen. No unfair means happen in MGM, because we do have student welfare committee, which is headed by our director as well as a specific teacher. Teachers have been allotted of professor from all the different constituent units of MGM School of Physiotherapy and MGM IHS, who will take care of the safety of you all. Then mentorship programs happen on very regular basis. Each week we do have mentorship programs where where you are free to just tell us which issues are you facing in the curriculum. It can be related to infrastructure, right from infrastructure to curriculum. You can approach the faculty members and then you can let us know. Then grievance redressal cell committee, sexual harassment committee, anti-ragging committee. So all these committees we have over here, as well as when you enroll, you people will be a part of these committees. So when you people will have an integral role to play in uh, in all these committees. Then academic excellence students, we do have awards for best MPT student as well as an BPT student. So a student who is good with all the records, not just academics, with sports, behavior, attendance, everything, all these aspects, we do get an Chancellor Award by the end of 2 years program. So last year, Miss Apuva Dige, who had enrolled for neurophysiotherapy, she received this award from the Vice Chancellor. Then campus life and annual events, of course, along with studies, extracurricular activities are also important. So we do have our own cultural fest over here, sports as well as cultural fest, that is known as Athena. As I mentioned, we have MGM Olympics, which is in Aurangabad campus. So we have games ranging right from badminton to swimming and all these team events as well as individual events. So you will get opportunities to represent your campus over there, as well as if you are a sports physiotherapist, you will be posted over there for all these things. And one of the picture you can see, we had participated in a modern college of physiotherapy event, which was a state level event. So these are few picture and glimpses of the campus life over here. Then social responsibilities. Of course, as I mentioned, we have a lot of support groups. Then we have tree plantation drives, blood donation drives, pulse polio camps, Fit India, Swachh Bharat. We do have NSS over here, which deals with all these things. Beside these also we have a lot of camps over here, for which you will have to participate. Then alumni association, again we do have alumni association over here. So you can see in the picture Dr. Anthea D'Souza spoke on license application, exam preparation, and different courses offered abroad. So she had done her bachelor's from MGM and she opted to do her master's from abroad. So alumni achievements. This is a very nice slide for all of you to see. So we had Dr. Chirag Pandya, who had done his bachelor's from MGM. You can see his picture. Now he is with Harbhajan. Yeah, he is a physio for Harbhajan Singh. Then we have Gayatri Management. She is a physiotherapist for PV Sindhu. Again, Dr. Abhishek Sawant, who is doing really well. He is a part of BCCI. And as you can see in the picture or in the cutout, he is treating Prithvi Shaw. Plus, he is a part of zonal level cricket academy as well as national level cricket academy. So not just sports. As me being sports faculty, I have highlighted few sports achievements. There are other people also who are shining in research activities, in academics, and many other things are there. So yes, so scope is you after masters you can work in private clinic, hospitals, sports team. You can work in community setups. You can be a part of our teaching academics also, as well as you can be a part of CHMS labs. We do have post over there also for senior as well as junior research therapists. So once you are done with your masters, you can get recruited over there also. So these were few scopes of what you will get once you are done with once you finish masters from MGM.